And that takes us to the core issue and biggest contributor of threats and challenges to DE&I advancement, a lack of cultural responsibility. Now, if you want to ascribe blame to anyone for this lack, then I can't particularly put my finger on any one group or person because it exists at all levels. It exists at the individual level for colleagues who are trained in DE&I but don't apply their trainings. It exists in organizational levels with interest convergence actions. Interest convergence is a theme coined through critical race theory that describes a lack of social movement for minority groups unless and until it aligns with the interests of the majoritized groups. So it exists at all levels, and it's really important that we, as individual colleagues and coworkers seeking to become colleagues, pay attention to what we are doing, pay attention to our individual contributions. The number one resolution for this problem, this lack of cultural responsibility across individuals at work, is critical awareness. And critical awareness may seem like a rudimentary answer for such a significant problem, but it is something that is so pivotal and foundational to any change that occurs in our external environments or within.